How to remove everything after a specific character in a cell in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can successfully remove everything after a specific character from a text in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at this workbook. We have sentences in column A, and in column B I want to extract text and I want to remove everything after a specific character. Here in this scenario we have our specific character at the red, and I have marked them red so you can understand. So I want to remove everything after this at the red sign in both sentences. Okay, so there could be a lot of sentence and this specific character could be anywhere in our text, but it doesn't matter, it will work. And I'm going to do it using formula. Okay, now let me explain how I'm going to extract this. Okay, so first I'm going to find out where we have our specific character, and then we are going to deduct one from that, so it will leave us everything before that character. Okay, let's say our @ sign here in this cell is at the 71st character. Okay, if I deduct 1, we have 70 character before this @ sign, and then I'm going to extract everything from the left. So I'm going to extract 70 character from the left, and that will help me remove everything after the specific character, which is @ in this case. So let's find out where we have our @ signs. For that I'm going to write here equal to and then find, double click here, I'm going to find @ sign, so I'm going to write that within double quotation. Okay, our text will be cell A2 because here we have our text, and if I close parentheses and press enter, our @ sign is 170 character. Okay, now if I deduct -1 from this 169 character, that means from start to @ sign we have 169 character. Okay, now if I somehow extract 169 character from the left, we will be able to remove everything after the @ sign, and even the @ sign will be removed also. So I'm going to use the left function. Left function help us extracting characters from the left. I'm going to wrap this formula with the left function. Double click here. Our text will be this cell A2, and at comma our number of character we have already calculated that, and if I close parentheses and press enter, and you can see we have successfully removed everything after the @ sign, and we don't have the @ sign also here. Okay, now if I drag it, it will work in every scenario. It doesn't matter where you have your @ sign. So here you can check, we have removed everything after the @ sign in different sentences. It doesn't matter where you have that symbol, but it will be a dynamic solution and you can easily remove character after specific character. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.